Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, that's a hot dog. Those are 3 pasture-raised eggs. And we have some shredded cheese. A little olive oil. Hey, you saw the intro! I can't hide from this. This is a hot dog scramble. It's fast, simple, and easy, but guess what? It's gonna load you up with protein. I'm not gonna say it's healthy, but let's put this baby together. Check it out. Here's that hot dog. We're just gonna chop it like this, guys. And get that ready. All right, that's done. And with the eggs, we're just gonna break them up a little. And I'll meet you at the stove. All right, we have a medium pan, a little olive oil. Let's put that hot dog down. That's what I'm talking about. All right, we just want to get these heated. Get a little sear on them. Oh yeah. That should take a couple minutes. All right, let's give these guys a flip. Just flip them around. Flip-a-rooski. Okay, we're gonna get both sides. And we should be ready in another second. All right, some olive oil before we add those eggs. The eggs are ready. Listen to it splash. Oh yeah. These look great. This will not take that long. I'm gonna put this down to about a little below medium, little pepper. Oh yeah. Let's add that cheese. This is a Mexican blend, which is always nice. Slowly incorporate it. I know it's crazy, but when you've got over 1,400 videos, you run out of ideas. Okay. Flip it, mix it around. All right, this will be ready in about 30 seconds. We'll plate it up and get a nice close-up. I gotta tell you, that looks pretty good. We got the hot dogs, got the eggs. Oh, big bite coming up. There it is. That's a super close-up. It's still nice and hot. Let's take a bite. Oh, I got the hot dog. It tastes delicious. It's just got, you can barely tell it's hot dog. It's just another form of protein. Eggs are fluffy. Cheese is nice and creamy. That baby is hot. Maybe put some ketchup and relish or mustard on it. Look at that thing. Ah. Mmm. Probably a good way to start the day. I like it. Sweet Babu. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 and all my socials. Till next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
Of course, hot dogs are already cooked. Or maybe they're not, I'm not sure, so I'm not going to talk about that. I'm not kidding! Oh, the things that I do for you people. I wanted to sneeze the whole time. Here it comes. Cover the food. Is it coming? Disappeared. Okay. What the hell was that noise? I stopped the sneeze, but that big noise, my neighbor is a complete moron. All he does is just annoy everybody. Baba.